Hi friends, this video shows how to download and install Google TV 14 firmware on your TV. Let's get started. Let me go to settings. Set all settings from top right corner. Then go down, go to system. Set about. Go to system update. Now it's checking for update. We can also manually trigger update check. Set check for update button. Now it's again checking for update, but it says your system is up to date. If your TV manufacturer has released an Android TV 14 firmware upgrade, it will appear on the screen. From here, you can download and install the update. If you do not see any update listed, it means the manufacturer has not yet released the firmware upgrade for your TV model and you will need to wait. In this TV, I already upgraded to Android TV 14 or Google TV OS version 14. Let me show you that. Go back. Under about, go down. Here you can see the Android TV OS version 14. And below that, you can see the date of the firmware patch that I have installed. It says 1st October 2025. Let me select Android TV OS version. Then select it. Here you can see Android TV version 14. Go back. So this way we can download and install Google TV 14 or Android TV OS version 14 firmware on your TV if that is released for your TV model. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.